Edge computing is rapidly transforming the digital landscape by shifting data processing closer to the source. Unlike traditional cloud computing, which relies on centralized data centers, edge computing leverages localized processing power to reduce latency and enhance real-time decision-making. As the number of connected devices continues to grow, this paradigm shift is expected to play a crucial role in supporting emerging technologies such as autonomous systems, smart cities, and next-generation industrial automation. With its ability to handle vast amounts of data at high speeds, edge computing is set to become a critical component of modern infrastructure. One of the most significant advantages of edge computing is its ability to improve latency. Traditional cloud systems often require data to be sent to remote servers for processing before returning the results to the user. This process introduces delays that can be problematic in applications requiring real-time responsiveness, such as autonomous vehicles and remote medical procedures. By processing data closer to the source, edge computing minimizes these delays, enabling faster decision-making and improved operational efficiency. This capability is particularly valuable in industries that rely on low-latency responses, such as finance, healthcare, and transportation. The rapid expansion of the Internet of Things, or IoT, has fueled the demand for edge computing. Billions of IoT devices generate enormous volumes of data, much of which needs to be processed in real time. Centralized cloud infrastructure struggles to handle such workloads efficiently due to bandwidth limitations and network congestion. Edge computing solves this problem by distributing processing power across multiple nodes, ensuring that IoT ecosystems operate smoothly. This decentralized approach not only enhances efficiency but also reduces strain on cloud data centers, allowing them to focus on more complex computational tasks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on cutting-edge technology. Another key driver of edge computing's future growth is its role in enhancing security and privacy. Traditional cloud architectures require sensitive data to be transmitted over long distances, increasing the risk of breaches and unauthorized access. Edge computing mitigates these risks by keeping data closer to its point of origin, reducing exposure to potential threats. For industries handling confidential information, such as finance, healthcare, and defense, this localized processing model provides a safer alternative to conventional cloud solutions. By limiting the movement of sensitive data, edge computing also helps organizations comply with regulatory requirements governing data protection and sovereignty. The industrial sector is expected to benefit significantly from edge computing, particularly in areas such as manufacturing and logistics. Smart factories are increasingly adopting automation and robotics to streamline operations, and edge computing enables real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance. By analyzing data from sensors and machines locally, manufacturers can detect potential failures before they occur, reducing downtime and operational costs. Similarly, logistics companies can use edge computing to optimize supply chain management by tracking shipments, monitoring warehouse conditions, and ensuring timely deliveries with minimal disruptions. The integration of edge computing with artificial intelligence, or AI, is set to unlock new possibilities across various industries. AI-driven edge systems can process and analyze data locally, enabling real-time insights without relying on cloud-based models. This capability is particularly important in applications such as smart surveillance, where AI-powered cameras can detect anomalies instantly without needing to transmit footage to a remote server. Retail businesses can also leverage AI at the edge to personalize customer experiences, analyze shopping behaviors, and optimize inventory management based on real-time demand patterns. Telecommunications companies are at the forefront of edge computing adoption, particularly with the rollout of fifth-generation networks. The low-latency and high-speed connectivity offered by 5G complement edge computing by enabling seamless data exchange between devices and localized processing nodes. This synergy is expected to power innovations such as augmented reality, virtual reality, and connected vehicles, all of which require rapid data processing. By deploying edge computing infrastructure at network edges, telecom providers can enhance service quality, reduce congestion, and support high-bandwidth applications with greater efficiency. The future of edge computing is also closely tied to the development of smart cities. As urban areas become increasingly digitized, real-time data processing is essential for optimizing traffic management, energy distribution, and public safety. Edge computing enables cities to collect and analyze data from various sources, including surveillance cameras, traffic sensors, and environmental monitoring systems. By processing this data locally, municipalities can implement intelligent decision-making strategies that enhance urban living conditions, improve resource allocation, and ensure more efficient public services. Despite its numerous advantages, edge computing presents several challenges that must be addressed for widespread adoption. One of the primary concerns is infrastructure deployment, as edge computing requires distributed networks of processing nodes. This setup demands significant investment in hardware, software, and maintenance. Additionally, ensuring interoperability between edge devices and cloud platforms remains a complex task. Industry leaders are actively working on standardized frameworks to facilitate seamless integration and scalability, which will be crucial for edge computing's long-term success. As technology continues to advance, edge computing is poised to become an integral part of modern digital ecosystems. Its ability to enhance speed, security, and efficiency positions it as a key enabler of future innovations across industries. From industrial automation and telecommunications to smart cities and AI-driven applications, edge computing's potential is vast. As organizations increasingly recognize its benefits, investment in edge infrastructure is expected to accelerate, paving the way for a more responsive and intelligent digital world. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.